Hi everyone, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with some surprise mail, and this is from my friend Josie, who is Josie's Crafty Place on Instagram. And girl, I am so excited. I have to show you. Look what she did. So my son actually shares a birthday. He's almost my birthday twin. My birthday is the 28th. His is on the 29th. We share basically the whole birthday week together. And, it really touches my heart that you included his name on this box, Josie. I can't. And look, she put Crafty Kimchi. Oh my goodness. She put my name. And she did it all around the box. I mean, girl, you working at the heartstrings right here. Oh my goodness. And I'm so excited to open this. Ooh, thank you, Josie. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out the tissue paper. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is, Josie. Oh my goodness, he's not here right now to open this with me, which is fine because he creates chaos. And but oh my god, I'm so excited. Josie, you're so sweet to even think about Noah. Oh my goodness. So he has a little, what is this? Forget it. Oh, it's a little game. He's gonna love this. Oh, how fun is that? Look how cute that is. Girl, you spoiling the both of us? I can't. Another game here. And he's, we're home a lot, so this is so thoughtful of you. Oh, thank you so much, Josie. And then we have this one here, Batman, which he's totally going to be crazy over. Love this. Thank you so much. And look at this little, like, is that like a Nintendo kind of keychain? How cute is this? He's going to love it. And he's such a boy. So he loves like all that blue stuff. Oh my god, it's so adorable. He's probably gonna wear it on his school bag because that's where he keeps all of his little danglies. And then, oh my god, look at this adorable ceramic bulldog. He's gonna totally love painting this. Look how pretty that is. Love this. Thank you so much, Josie. Girl, he's sharing on my Happy Mail over here. And look at this cute manicure set. I don't know if you got this from the Dollar Tree, but this is so cute. How come I never find anything like cool like this? I swear to God, my Dollar Tree sucks. But look how cute. Oh my, it has a little snap. Ooh, and I just love this hollow. Girl, get my nails all fancy. Thank you so much, Josie. Ooh, I see bling. Oh my gosh. Did you bejewel this mirror? Is this a mirror? Look how fancy this is. And I know how much work this takes. And oh my god, there's two. Josie! And she is the box queen. Our girl Josie. Look at this. So cute. Hold on. Yes. Look how cute this is. This is another mirror. Girl. Everyone's going to be so jelly. Okay, I can't open this right now. I don't know. Anyways, look how beautiful this is. Josie, I can't believe you love me this much that you would glue all these little itty bitty pieces. Girl, look at that A. How do you get that perfect A? It is so dang pretty. Ooh, I'm so excited. God, who doesn't love surprise birthday mail? And your friends, I love my girls, my crafty chicas. We got this fancy bejeweled pen because we're fancy here. Yes. Pinky up. And let's see. Was this last but not least? No. I'm going to take this out. And then there's another thing in here. Okay. I'm just going to move the box away. Ooh. Okay, and let's see. No. You did the big Mamba Jamba? Girl, you crazy. You are crazy. I can't believe. Don't tell me you bejeweled the big Mamba Jamba. Oh my goodness. I suck as a friend because, oh my goodness, Josie. Look how pretty this is. Wow. I can't get over how beautiful this is. I can't believe you love me this much to bejewel the heck out of this. Wow. I'm just like obsessed. I can't stop touching it. Oh my God, Josie. It is so dang pretty. Oh my God. This is the fanciest mirror I'll ever own in my life. Seriously. And then let's see what's in here. Oh my God. I can't with you, Josie. Okay. Oh, oops. So, I can't with you, Josie. So, I am a huge BTS fan. Huge. I mean, huge. So, she made me a mask with the BTS logo. Oh my God, my girlfriends are going to die. And she got me the hat that is totally BTS inspired. I love this. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. And then, ooh, we got this really beautiful barred necklace. Oh my God, Josie, I'm smiling ear to ear. Oh my goodness. And she got me a BTS sticker pack. Girl, I can't. Oh my God, I'm dying right now. This is so funny. Oh my goodness. Look at these. How funny is that? I'm in love. And you made me 2 pins. Josie, look at this. Do you have the button maker? Oh my goodness. Look how cute these are. Oh my God, I'm dying. And she got me the keychain. Girl, you are feeding this BTS lover like appetite. Oh my goodness, I'm dying. And you gave me a phone holder. Josie, you're gonna make me cry. Look how cute this is. I'm sweating. What is this? Is this a card set? I could just have my own BTS birthday. I can't with you. Oh my God, you gave me a photo card set. How funny is this? This is so cute. Josie, I absolutely love you, my friend. You are too kind. And really, you gave me everything that I could possibly love. I can't. Like, the handmade gifts, the BTS love. I mean, girl, you know a way to my heart. I'm smiling ear to ear, and I love you so much. And thank you for spoiling me, my son, and really making me feel so loved. Oh, Josie, I love you, my friend. Thank you for watching. I'll leave her information down below. Obviously, you can see she's super talented and just the kindest person. Oh, wait, I missed something. Wait a second. Hold that thought, you guys. What is this? A little ring? Oh my goodness. This is the, hold on, the anniversary ring with the necklace? Girl, look how, oh my goodness, she gave me the ring. How funny is this? A little BTS ring. I'm going to be the bougiest army on the block. Oh God, Josie, I love you so much. Thank you again for everything. I'm dying right now. I'm dying. I need a seat because I cannot believe all the stuff you gave me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.